Hey guys, Chad here. So if you're still trying to make money on ClickBank and you found little to no results yet, I think today's gonna be really helpful for you because unlike most of the other videos out there, I'm not gonna be just giving you a method and then leave you hanging. I'm actually gonna be setting up a whole entire campaign live with you guys. I'm gonna be showing you the exact ads I've ran in the past profitably and ultimately just how to set up the whole entire campaign from scratch, right? So you can start making money. And really guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys the exact ads. I'm gonna be showing you the exact images we go and place on Facebook. So if you wanna kind of copy my success and steal them, you can. But what I really wanna hone in on this video is for you to understand why these ads are working, right? Why the strategy works. That way you can go and apply the strategy to multiple other products. That way you're just not copying people on the internet. So with that being said, guys, we're gonna get straight into this. Real quick before I do, I'm gonna announce the affiliate marketing course winner from last video. If your name is right here, congratulations, you just won one copy of my affiliate marketing course. Go and email me here to claim your course. Guys and girls, if you'd also like to enter in a win, I give away one copy of my course or video. All you have to do to enter for this video is comment down below and drop a like. With that being said, guys, let's get straight into this tutorial. Okay, so like I said, we're gonna set up this entire campaign from scratch. I'm gonna show you guys the exact product, the exact ads, the exact copy, the exact images, all that good stuff. So with that being said, the first thing you're gonna need to do to start this is number one, just go to clickbank.com, log into the marketplace, and then once you get to the marketplace, you're gonna go and type in Slim Belly Fix, right? So this is the offer that we're gonna be using for this example. Keep in mind the ads I'm gonna be showing you can be applied to multiple different products. They would have to just be changed up a little bit. But really, like I said, what I want you to understand is the entire strategy and why it's really working. So anyways, with that being said, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna see Slim Belly Fix right here. And to get your affiliate link, you're just gonna press promote, right? And you're gonna generate your hop link and then you can copy it to your clipboard right here. Okay, so step two, the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my helpful sheet. This is one of my done for you campaigns included in my training. But anyways, if I go down here, I can see the ad images right here and then also the first ad copy. Now keep in mind on Facebook, you can't just put your affiliate link. Facebook will actually ban your account if you do that. So a lot of times people kind of get stuck on this step. So what I like to do is I like to send these people to a quiz funnel, right? And that's what we're talking about on this ad copy. And then once they go through the quiz, that's when they go to our actual affiliate link, right? And this is where they go to the Slim Belly Fix offer. And then obviously if they buy from this product page, then you're gonna get the commission. Now I wanna go over the whole strategy and the funnel with you guys. So basically, I wanna put something on the screen here, what it's gonna look like on Facebook, because keep in mind with Facebook, you don't just run an ad. You first have to set up a campaign and then you can test multiple ads in your campaign, right? So there's a certain strategy that I like to use to see and test what works best. Now, keep in mind when you're testing, starting out, you just want to test one thing at a time, one variable, so you know what's working best. So for example, we're going to go into Facebook, we're going to start a campaign, and then we're going to test one ad group, right? That ad group is going to have the targeting that we think is going to work best. And then under that ad group, I'm going to have 3 different ads testing one picture, but 3 different copy, right? So the copy I just read you, that's one variable. Again, I just want to see which hook, which copy works best. And then once I find the winner, right, then I can go do the whole same process for which image works the best, right? And then which targeting works the best. And you just keep on getting data and keep getting your ads more and more profitable. And then once they click on one of our ads that we're testing, they're gonna lead to our quiz funnel. And then that quiz funnel at the very end is gonna lead to our affiliate link where they can go ahead and buy the offer we're promoting. So with that being said, I'm gonna go into my computer now and I'm gonna be showing you exactly how to set up this campaign from scratch. So first off, if you don't have a Facebook ad account already, just go to business.facebook.com and set up your Facebook account, connect your credit card, right? Do the basic stuff, look up online how to do those tutorials. Again, I wanna show you the strategy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my second ad account, which is just an extra ad account I have to show you guys. But anyways, I'm gonna start out by going to my campaigns and I'm gonna press this green button right here to press create. So I'm gonna name this Slim Belly Fix, and then I'm gonna do cold because we're marketing to cold traffic if we're starting from scratch, right? Campaign objective, I'm gonna leave traffic. And then for an ad set name, I'm just gonna do targeting 1. Okay, and then for the ad name, the first one I'm gonna do is copy one. Because again, we're gonna be testing 3 different copy variables, ad copy, so you wanna name them just 1, 2, and 3, that way you know which one is working best, right? So anyways, I'm gonna press save to draft after you do that. Now you can see it takes us to this screen. Now this is the overall campaign level, so we already set all this up. Now I'm just gonna go down, and this is our first ad group. Like I said, we're just gonna have one ad group for this campaign starting out. Now this is where you actually set up all your targeting and your budget and all that good stuff. So usually you can start with anywhere from $5 to $10 a day. If you wanna get faster results and just collect data more, obviously the more money you spend starting out, the faster you're gonna collect data because the more data you're gonna get, right? So I'm gonna start out with $20 a day just so I can get a little bit data faster. I always like to start my ads the very next day at 12 a.m. Just so it equally spends all my money throughout the day. So anyways, I'm gonna go down now to audience, and this is where we're gonna set up the targeting and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna start out by running to United States, and then we have age. So if you actually look at the offer, this product specifically that we're promoting, Slim Belly Fix, it's mostly made for like an older demographic, right? So if I go to my helpful like little cheat sheet I have for this offer, the whole angle with this is woman in the age range of 40 to 60 years old, right? So I'm gonna target those people. So first I'm just gonna press edit this, and I'm gonna do 40 and then to 60 years old is what has been working best in the past for me. And then I'm gonna go to all genders, and I'm only gonna target woman again, right? And then now we're gonna start doing the interest targeting. So I'm gonna press edit right here. So if I go back to my sheet again, it says the targeting on here. So I'm gonna use keto, weight loss, and then just some of these. So first I'm gonna type in keto, and it looks like we have ketosis here. So another one I'm gonna type in is, let's see, the paleo diet. So that might be one. Okay, and then now I'm gonna do some suggestions. So now you can see it kind of recommends like, okay, ketone, paleo, let's see. We wanna go after like more niche diets starting out. And you guys will see why I'm doing this in just a second. But let's say, no, that's a little bit too broad. See, I don't want to start out by promoting the physical fitness because you can see the interest is like almost 800 million, right? So I'm going to start out with more of these smaller diets. As you can see, we already have a reach of 10 million people. Now what I'm going to do next to really narrow this audience down is I'm going to press narrow audience. And now what's going to happen is my ads are only going to show to these people who like these interests or this age range and also women, but they also match anything I put right here. So this is where I'm going to put more of a broad targeting. So I'm going to type in something more broad, like I said, weight loss or something like that. So let's see, weight loss. Let's try to just find like a big interest. So this one looks, pretty massive. And as you can see, it went from 10 million people to 1.8 million people. So now we have a way more targeted group of people, right? So I'm going to start out with that. And then I can even save this audience if I want to use it for future ad groups. For now, I'm just going to leave it there. I'm also going to use manual placements, and I only want this, I only want this on Facebook, right? And I only want it on this news feed as well. So I'm going to uncheck all the boxes besides this top one. Again, you'll just see higher conversions if you do it like this. I'm going to turn off stories. I'm going to turn off in-stream, and I'm going to turn off search. I'm going to turn off in-article, and we're good to go. And now I'm going to go to the next level of this campaign, which is under the ad group, right? And now we're going to go to the actual ad itself, which is more of the creative part of it. So first off, you just want to pick your Facebook page. So obviously you want to pick a niche page on here. For now, I'm just going to leave it like this. But anyways, I'm going to go down and I want to get to in the more important part, which is the actual image and the ad copy as I read earlier, right? So we're going to be using a single image for this. All I'm going to do is I'm going to press add media, and then I'm going to go to add image. Now I'm going to go back to my helpful sheet here, and I'm going to access the add images in the library here. And you can see these are all the proven ad templates that I have for some of my students in here. But anyways, I'm going to use something more like this because that's more congruent with what I have on my funnel. So notice these pictures, they're really just made to catch your attention. A lot of it is really random. See, it's really just made to catch your attention and get your eyeballs on the picture so they can start reading your ad, right? Anyways, I'm gonna go to upload right here, and I'm gonna upload this image we just used. Okay, I'm gonna press continue. All right, and then now I'm gonna go to the actual ad copy itself. So I'm gonna go to the one I read to you just a minute ago. So I'm gonna go to ad copy 1, right? And we're gonna get this, and then we're gonna paste this in. All right, so you can see the ad copy and the ad right here. Now I'm gonna do the headline, and I'm gonna say this works. Okay, I'm gonna just do a little ... I can leave the description the same, and then obviously you wanna put your website URL. So I'm gonna go to my actual funnel here, and now this is where I wanna show you guys the actual quiz funnel that we're gonna be sending these people who see our ad. Okay, so this is the quiz funnel you can see right here. As you can see in our targeting, right, we're targeting people who are using the keto diet, and this first headline is easier than keto for women, right? If you wanna target more of a different diet, you can do that, right? You can just change the headline in the actual website. But the whole point is you just kind of want to practice congruency. So whatever they're really interested in, right? That's what you want to talk about on the funnel, really to be able to relate with them more. So anyways, they're going to go through this quiz. It's going to ask them a couple questions. Do you like to exercise? And then at the very end, it says, are you age 35 or older? Right? Again, we're targeting people over the age of 35. I'm going to push yes. And this is where you would actually put your affiliate link in right here, right? So anyways, I'm gonna go back to the very first page because we want them to start on the home page. So I'm gonna grab this link and I'm gonna paste it in right here. Okay, and then I wanna put in display link. Obviously I don't have a domain connected yet, but I'm just gonna put in something like the new diet. Okay, so that looks good. Now you can you wanna set up your Facebook pixel as well. So what's cool about this is if they go all the way through the quiz, like if they get to the last question, I can actually put a Facebook pixel on this last page. So people who went through the whole quiz, right, we can start retargeting them with more ads, right, to really just go in and take this and watch this video that we're trying to get them to watch. So that's another little tip for you. I'd recommend putting a Facebook pixel specifically on the last page of the funnel and then retarget them with ads. Typically, you're just going to see way more profitable ads if you start setting up those campaigns. So anyways, but that's another story. That's for later on. First off, we're just going to start with this. So that's basically the whole campaign setup. Now, like I said, we're going to be testing 3 different versions of copy. We just have one right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press close right here. And as you can see, we're just in draft mode. And you can see we're also in the ad, right? It's showing the ad right here. So I'm just going to click on this box. And now to make my life a little bit easier, I'm just going to press duplicate. Okay, and I'm gonna set it to an existing campaign, which is the one we just set up, right? Existing ad set, and then I'm gonna press duplicate right here. I wanna use the same exact image because if I use a different image and a different ad copy, right, we're not gonna know which one did better. So this is why for all 3 ads, I'm using the same image, but I'm testing different ad copies to see which one works best. But anyways, I'm gonna go back to my sheet here, and I'm going to go to ad copy number 2. And this one stands out a little bit more. It's got a little bit more emojis in it. Tells a little bit different of a story. But again, it all leads to the same quiz. So I'm going to go back here. And I'm just going to paste in this primary text. All right, it looks good. And then obviously it's going to go to the same exact link. So it looks like we're good to go. The only thing I want to change right here is I'm going to change this to copy 2. Right, because if my ad starts getting way cheaper cost per clicks, way cheaper results, right, I know that it came from copy number 2 versus copy 1, right? So I want to know which one is doing better so I can make more ads like that in the future. So anyways, I'm going to press close again, and we're going to do the same exact process. So I'm just going to press duplicate, and now we're going to do existing campaign, existing ad set, duplicate again, and now I'm going to go grab the 3rd ad copy that we're going to be testing, right? And because we just want to see which one works the best. So we're going to paste this in. Okay, and again, this is leading them to our quiz as well. So really, guys, that's all you would do. Again, we're using the same picture for this one because we want to see which one works best. We press close. One thing I forgot to do is change it to copy 3. But anyways, after this, I would just go and check all my targeting again, check my campaign, make sure everything is good. And then once I'm ready to launch my campaign, right, I'm gonna go back to the campaigns, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check this box. I'm gonna push review and publish, and I'm just gonna make sure everything's good. As you can see, there's no errors for ad set 1. Right, and then under the ads, we have 3 different ads testing different versions of copy, right? So once we're ready to start this, all you're gonna do is press publish. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like access to this bonus done for you campaign sheet, right, again, it shows the whole angle. This is where you can actually download this funnel into your Builderall account, this quiz funnel right here. You'll also get all the entries. You'll get a full Facebook ads course. You'll get access to all these images, all the different ad copy. There's actually 4 variations of ad copy for this offer particularly. But anyways, this is all included when you sign up to Builderall under me. You actually get access to our membership area where I mostly show you how to promote Builderall in this training. But I've also added some other done for you campaigns where, like I said, you can promote some products on ClickBank that I think work well, and really that will help you make some money. So anyways, if you want to access this training and this done for you campaign along with this funnel so you can go make this method work for yourself, I'll go ahead and leave a link below where you can sign up for Builderall under me. With that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comment down below and I'll be sure to answer for you. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video.